Soldiers are the most valuable resource for the U.S. Army. And since 1893, the Walter Reed Army Institute of Research, or RARE, has been dedicated to supporting them at home and abroad. As the premier medical research facility and the oldest research institution in the Army, RARE's mission is to discover, design, develop, and deliver globally impactful solutions for military-relevant infectious diseases, brain health, and performance optimization through innovative research. To meet these objectives, RARE works extensively with national and international collaborators from industry, pharma, academia, government agencies, and nonprofits. Leveraging these partnerships has enhanced soldier performance and resilience. RARE's global research network includes the Center for Infectious Disease Research, the Center for Military Psychiatry and Neuroscience, the Center for Enabling Capabilities, and 4 expeditionary medical research directorates executing missions in the U.S. and in countries in Africa, Southeast Asia, Europe, and the Middle East. The Center for Infectious Disease Research, or CIDR, combines scientific expertise with product development capabilities to address infectious diseases of national security importance and focuses on the prevention, diagnosis, and treatment of military-relevant infectious diseases to maintain readiness in deployed forces. RARE's global network works with CIDR to prevent threats such as COVID-19, Zika, Ebola, multi-drug-resistant organisms, HIV, AIDS, malaria, dengue, and diarrheal diseases. Through forward labs such as RARE Africa, RARE has aligned research priorities with AFRICOM to identify and detect priority pathogens across the region.
We have over 60 years of bilateral engagement in Thailand. In Kenya, we're going on, we're over 30 years. These relationships that we've built helps us maintain not only a bilateral relationship, but down to the community level, enable for these communities to trust us when we roll out and pilot these experimental therapies to help keep people healthy, particularly the warfighter. But you can't do it without that trust that you get from the community.
We are now in an era where peer competition and now full-on kinetic conflict in Europe is a reality. And so the groundwork that we have been laying in building collaborations in places like Romania, Bulgaria, now Poland has been absolutely critical.
In Thailand, RARE Armed Forces Research Institute of Medical Sciences maintains a Phase 1 through 3 clinical trial network across 4 countries and provides robust surveillance across all of Indo-PACOM. At Joint Base Lewis McChord, RARE West executes research to enhance service members' health and performance by developing solutions to mitigate operational stress. Researchers are working closely with operational units to identify risk and protective factors and develop interventions to enhance readiness, maximize performance by validating novel brain physical training, and work with Madigan Army Medical Center to conduct diagnostic and clinical trials. Sustaining the lethality of U.S. Defense Forces requires developing behavioral health strategies to increase mental readiness, increase cognitive flexibility, and maximize human potential. Between 20 and 40% of soldiers returning from deployment are referred for behavioral health problems such as post-traumatic stress, depression, and interpersonal conflict. Additionally, 10 to 20% of the group suffers from stress symptoms, strongly associated with concussions. The Center for Military Psychiatry and Neuroscience focuses on protecting brain health, optimizing psychological health, and ensuring peak readiness and performance before, during, and after deployment.
The mission of CMPN is to discover, design, develop, and deliver evidence-based solutions to protect brain health, optimize psychological well-being, and enhance performance and readiness.
CMPN scientists have developed, validated, and implemented numerous training initiatives which have been shown to improve combat effectiveness, strengthen unit cohesion, promote team adaptability, and enhance leadership. In addition to longitudinal research, CMPN also develops quick guides for rapid dissemination, such as those used by first responders during the COVID-19 pandemic. CMPN scientists also provide comprehensive blunt and blast-induced traumatic brain injury solutions to inform personal protective equipment design, develop safety algorithms, improve point of injury and Role 1 care, and ultimately improve survivability and return to duty for all service members. From the earliest stages of research to evaluating efficacy and partnering in the final stages of product development, RARE is the fully integrated research institute committed to preparing forces for the battlefield of tomorrow. Research that delivers highly reliable drugs, therapeutics, vaccines, knowledge products, therapeutic interventions, and diagnostics not only keeps our warfighters ready to heed the nation's call, but it makes lasting contributions to civilian medicine. Rare Defense Health Global.